What's the meaning of conversion? Conversion. Conversion.
Conversion. Conversion. Conversion refers to the process of changing something from one form, system, or purpose to another. It generally involves taking input data and transforming it into an output that can be used for a different purpose. For example, in computer science, conversion can refer to converting data from one file format to another, or converting code written in one language to another. The result of a successful conversion is that the original input data is now in a format or system that is more useful or compatible with a desired end goal or application.